Starting an LLC in Missouri is a great way to protect your personal assets and officially launch your business. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you can get your LLC set up quickly and easily. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. Missouri requires that the name be unique and not already in use by another business. You can check availability on the Missouri Secretary of State's website. Don't forget, your name must include LLC, or Limited Liability Company. Next, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization. In Missouri, this is done online or by mail through the Secretary of State. The filing fee is $50 online or $105 if filed by mail. Once approved, your LLC is officially formed. After that, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement. Missouri doesn't require one by law, but having an operating agreement helps outline how your LLC will be managed, how profits are shared, and how decisions are made among members. Next, you'll need an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. It's free and quick to get online, and you'll need it for taxes, opening a business bank account, or hiring employees. Finally, Missouri requires every LLC to file an annual report to stay in good standing. The filing fee is $45, and it's due each year on the anniversary of your LLC's formation. And that's it! If this guide helped you understand how to start an LLC in Missouri, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple business tips.